Hello everyone, welcome to an Insta Live session with Gourmetized. Today we are very proud to invite Dilnaz Irani. She's a vivacious and bubbly actress, a theatre actor, a comedy show host as well, and nowadays she's very popular in Instagram Reels. She loves to cook, she loves to eat, so who better than to invite a fellow foodie. Please welcome Dilnaz Irani. We're going to wait for her to join. Hello, Dilnaz ji.
Hi, Wimki.
Hi, Dilnaz ji. How are you?
Very well, Wimki. How are you? You look all
I'm doing good. I'm so excited to have you on my Insta Live show.
I am so excited to be here because it's like a food thing, and I'm basically a foodie. So, and I have started, on Saturdays I do this little video on different recipes and stuff like that. So people are enjoying it. So now I would
love
not
watching your Instagram reels,
what
trust me, and I thought who better than to invite Dilnaz ji for my Instagram live.
So how are you? Let's start.
Yes, sure. So first of all, Dilnaz ji, I wanted to know, and everyone here wanted to know what your favorite cuisine is.
Okay, so basically, I love food, but my favorite cuisine is Chinese. It's my all-time favorite. I just love Chinese food.
So yum.
And I'm Indian Chinese, huh? मतलब अपना Indian तड़का लगा के Chinese, yeah. So
yes, I know that. So I love Chinese as well, but as you would know, and I would like everyone watching to know that my initiative is called Gourmetized, and I always give healthy twists to popular recipes. I like to make them very different, more nutritious, but at the same time maintaining taste levels. So today, since your favorite cuisine is Chinese, I thought let me make a nice quick stir fry, vegetable stir fry for you, but it would have a healthy twist to it. It's going to have different elements in the sauce, so I'm looking forward to show it to you.
sure. And I love broccoli. I love the bell peppers. I'm just telling you what veggies I love,
Yes,
So I love
perfect.
beans, I love carrots. Actually, I love all vegetables besides Karela. Of course,
That's
that's
wonderful.
only.
I'm so excited about that because I have cut up all the vegetables which I thought should go in a good stir fry and should be nutritious. So we have broccoli here, carrot, zucchini, bell peppers, and tofu. Now, you might not like tofu much, but trust me, when you try it in this particular sauce, you're going to really love tofu as well. It's a great protein addition to any recipe.
Lovely. Fantastic.
So, can we begin?
Yes, Vimki, I'm waiting. I'm waiting.
So today the sauce that I am showing is called orange chili sauce, where we're going to be using fresh orange juice. Now, if you don't have it locally available, you can use any citrus-based fruit like kinu, orange, mosambi, anything goes. So I had some good kinus here, and right now in Chennai, I had some lovely kinus here. So I thought I'm going to show you how to make a quick orange chili sauce, which you can keep in your fridge, and you can just take your whenever you want to have a quick heavy snack.
Wow.
Yeah. So first I'm taking about 1 cup of oil, which I'm going to be pouring into the bowl right here, and then I'm going to add 1
So,
tablespoon of
Vimki, this is
oil.
an orange juice, right? This is just orange juice.
It's just basic orange juice without any additions, any sugar, water, nothing. It's fresh squeezed orange juice which I've added to the pan. To that, I've
Okay.
added 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, light soy sauce, and then I'm adding 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Now, you can add either apple cider vinegar or rice vinegar or a white vinegar as well. It works. And then we add a tablespoon of ginger garlic green chili paste. Fresh घर पे बना हुआ ginger garlic green chili paste. This, of course, is as per your spice level, however you like it. And because I like things spicy, I'm sure just like you do, I'm going to add some chili flakes as well, just to increase the chili quotient here.
Okay, okay, that's lovely.
Yeah. And then we're just going to let it boil for a couple of minutes.
Okay.
And just to thicken it up, I'm going to add some corn flour paste. Okay, so this is just a tablespoon of corn flour, to which I'm adding a little water, making a paste, and then.
But is corn flour good, Vimki?
So I've only taken a teaspoon of corn flour, but if people want to replace this, they can also add rice flour or you can add potato starch as well. Anything basically to thicken our sauce. So I've taken 1 teaspoon of corn flour, added the water, mixed it here. We're just going to whisk it and let it boil, that it thickens up nicely. And my nice tadka, I'm going to take a fresh, grate it and some orange zest in it to just enhance the flavor. Okay?
But it doesn't become kadwa if you do this?
No, so you only have to grate it like 2-3 times to the orange so that you don't reach the white part. If you reach the white part, it's going to become kadwa. As you can see, I've just made a couple of scrapes here. And I'm going to add the outer flesh is already sweet. So that's not going to affect our sauce at all. Keep turning your orange so that you don't reach the white part. See, now it's come to a boil, so I'm just going to reduce the flame a bit so that it keeps bubbling away and it becomes thick. That's it. I just want to add a couple of grates of the orange peel so that the flavor gets enhanced.
Okay.
So we're going to let this bubble up now. So tell me, Dalnazji, have you ever tried this orange peel sauce?
Never. Now I'm going to try it because, I've never done something like this. Like try, I would like to, but I don't have the patience to do it. So, yeah. But now that I've seen it so simple, I'm going to definitely try this one.
And in fact, you can just store this sauce in a jar, in an airtight jar, and put it in your fridge as well. So, ek din bana liya, and then next day, the day after that, in fact, this sauce lasts for easily about 5 to 6 days. So,
I'm following you. I'm following you, Vimki, on your page. So in case there's a problem, I'll just see your recipes and I'll make good food.
That's so sweet, Dalnazji. Tell me, are you on a healthy journey as well the way I am, or you like to just indulge in all kinds of
No. I am, I've got various problems. Like I have a back issue, I have thyroid, so I have to be careful. Yes, I love my food and all of that, but I try, and I've always been a healthy child, a healthy teenager, and now I'm almost like reaching 50. So, I have to be very, very careful with what I eat and how I eat. So I've started this whole thing of, avoiding certain foods. So I am very careful. And that's why when we connected, I was so happy that I'll get some healthy choices, because everybody loves food, everybody, most of us like to eat. But a healthy way of eating is so important.
Yes, I'm so glad that you also believe in this. First of all, let me tell you, you don't look 50 at all. I would have never thought that you're 50.
I will be. In a year, I will be soon.
So, I think it's just a misconception in people's minds that, healthy food is not tasty. And that with my endeavor through my page that I show people, how tasty healthy food can be. So I also want to show a very, very nice, interesting way of cooking the vegetables. For people who don't want to sit and saute every vegetable on the gas, I have this nice hack where I use the grill machine. Everyone would have a grill machine in their home to make toasted sandwiches, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grill our vegetables here that I prepared for you.
Okay.
These are the machine so that the vegetables won't stick. And we're going to grill all the vegetables here. So we're going to grease it on both the
Okay.
sides so that our vegetables don't stick.
It's such a nice, innovative thing that is happening right now. And
Yeah. So yeah, here my vegetables and go. I'm going to put like a tablespoon of the olive oil and then season it with salt and pepper. Now, at this point, I would like to add that it's always good to have a mix of oils in the kitchen. Keep changing your oils. Like for this recipe, I'm using olive oil, but when you're making anything Asian, you can use sesame oil. When you're making anything Italian or continental, use olive oil. And when you're
yeah.
making anything desi, it should be mustard oil or coconut oil. That way, na, you get benefits from
Okay.
all the oils.
Okay. Okay. Well, I
So,
don't know about this, so I'll definitely try now. And this is
yeah.
something so interesting because,
So I'm going to lay all the vegetables flat on my grill machine so that everything gets cooked well. I've not boiled or done anything to any vegetable. Okay,
okay,
they've just been cut uniformly. तो इसमें क्या है ना because there are lines here, I grill mark as well.
okay,
So now we're going to shut it. I'll put a little bit more oil just to ensure that the oil don't stick and
yeah.
close this. So just in 3-4 minutes, our vegetables are going to be cooked as well. Our
The
sauce is going to
sauce is done.
be well.
Is the sauce done?
The sauce is slowly starting to thicken up. It's boiling away and it's slowly starting to thicken up. Can you see? It's
Okay.
already ready.
Yes.
So जब तक हमारे vegetables हो जाएंगे, हमारा sauce भी ready रहेगा.
Wow.
And
Brilliant.
anytime you're using the sauce right from the fridge, all you need to do is heat it up and then just pour it over your vegetables. It's as simple as that.
Wow. I'm gonna try this Vimki because this is looking damn good and damn tasty and very interesting. Yeah. So
That's great.
I'm sure the kind of recipes that you must be making, it must be all healthy, right?
Yes, of course. So I like to pack in as much, vegetables, as much of nutrition as possible because everyone is on a diet and they just want to eat small portions. So why don't we pack both small portions with as much nutrition as possible? I believe that it's not good to just crash diet and try to lose weight. There, what happens is that you tend to lose out on all the macronutrients and micronutrients. So इससे अच्छा है कि if you cut down your portion, you might as well pack in as much of nutrition as possible so that you
Tell
remain
me something.
सबकी आजकल issues हैं. Everyone's having BP and thyroid and diabetes and whatnot. So to be on the
I
safer
am a non-vegetarian, Vimki. I
side,
please suggest some good options for non-vegetarians as well.
So Delnaz ji, sorry to say, I'm actually a heart vegetarian, and I also promote universal and gluten-free foods as well. Promote gut health. As you would have heard, gut health is very, very important for overall being. So
Okay.
उसे ठीक रखने के लिए it's always better to cut off dairy also from your diet for a short while, as well as avoid non-veg for some time. Once you include that your non-veg, once you're all right, then I guess it's fine to have things like fish and lean meats and all that. But I'm
Okay.
not vegetarian, Dilnaz ji. I'm sorry I could not help you with the recipes there.
No, that's okay. Because veg food can also be made very interesting and
Yes.
very tasty. Because see, we as non-vegetarians we feel, "Arey yaar, kya veg food?" But there are times when the food is so exotic that you
Yes.
don't miss out on non-veg.
Of
So
course. So as they say now, the beauty of anything lies in the eyes of the beholder. So खाना हमारा सुंदर है, if it's plated well, it's really colorful, why not? It's gonna be so attractive to anyone
I
there.
could see the veggies so colorful. I love that part of all the exotic vegetables that we use. Yeah,
Yes. So I'm
amazing.
going to sauce. So the sauce is
Yeah.
done very nicely reduced, and it's thickened up as well, as you can see,
Yes.
right? So हम यहाँ
Yes.
पे इसको रख देंगे
Looking yummy.
and let's check on our vegetables. See, as you can see, grill marks have already started to come. We're just going to
Yes.
cook it maybe like for a minute more, and then we plate it. Today, I'm just plating it with a nice bowl of steamed rice here. Okay, so it's going to be a
Wow.
thin meal, but if you like, you can just eat it plain as well. You can eat it with some nice noodles or bread or quinoa. It's nice to have different grains in your diet as well. Every day, try a different grain so that your body adapts and your body also accepts all the nutrients present in those different grains.
I feel like flying down to Chennai and eating it right away.
I would love to host you for a dinner or a lunch. You should connect with me next time you're in town, either in Chennai or in Bangalore. So I'm based out of Bangalore, and I love to do personalized nutrition plans for people as
I
well.
love the city Bangalore, Vinky. I love the city Bangalore.
You do?
My brother
I'm
used
so
to live
glad.
there, so I used to visit Bangalore a lot.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's
Love the
great.
city, love the food, you know,
And love
love
the
the
weather, I'm
culture,
sure.
and love the greenery and the clean city that Bangalore is. Yeah, with fresh air and oof, it's lovely.
And the weather, I'm sure, because Bangalore ka weather does not match with any other city currently.
Yeah. You come to Bangalore and you don't need an AC, you know, it's like that. You
Yes, yes, I know. So
fresh
as you
air.
can see, our vegetables are almost ready. There's a lot
Okay.
of grilled marks here. I'm just bringing it closer. If you would like to
Lovely.
have it, further roasted, you can keep it inside for a minute more. But I think I like, some bite in my vegetables. So I'll keep it to this level only. And I'm going to pour the sauce on the side first.
Okay.
And then I'm going to top it with all the vegetables.
Okay.
It's going to
Oh,
look
wow.
I think it's so pretty.
Wow. You should take a picture of this, Vinky, quick.
Yes, I will. It's looking
Wow,
beautiful.
it's looking lovely.
Great ना and favorite ingredient on top हम vegetarians को ना हमेशा यही काम करते थे some deficiency आ जाएगी आपको because you're not eating non-veg. So I love to sprinkle my super seeds on every food that I eat. Here I'm topping it today with sesame seeds. Sesame seeds is packed with calcium.
Yes.
नहीं है if you have sesame seeds every day.
Wow.
So
It
I
looks really nice, really nice, really nice, healthy, tasty. Wow.
isn't it?
Amazing. Vinky, please try on my behalf right now. Just take a spoon and try it.
I know, I wish I could just start eating it now, but I'm going to wait for my life to get over and I'm going to just feed it to my family.
Yeah. Wow. People who are watching, isn't this amazing? I mean, I always feel vegetarian food, kaisa hoga, kya, and when you eat something so exotic, you really feel that you don't need to be a non-veg, yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
I'm glad that you came in today. I hope you like this recipe.
And
I
love
try
it.
it soon and send me a picture as well.
In case I miss out on something, I'm going to go back, watch the video. I'm going to try it. I'm going to share this video with all my fans and followers. And I'm
Right.
sure people are going to love it.
Great. I'm so happy, Naji, that you liked it. And lovely to have you here with me. Thank you so much.
Vinky. Thank you. I learned something new today. So I'm very happy.
I love chatting with you as well. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Vinky. See you.
Bye.
All the best.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
All the best.
Bye. Thank you. Bye.